This is an example of the function generator and oscilloscope modules for the PSOC 5. We'll start by assuming that I've already compiled my program. I'll go to Program the PSOC. And then open up the Measurement and Automation Explorer. Highlight the USB address, copy it, Control-C, and open up our LabVIEW VI and post it into the address field. Save that, start our connection again, and we can see that the time scale is moving, showing that we have a connection between LabVIEW and PSOC. We can open up our Mobile Studio program and show that the outputted waveform is currently a sine wave. You can change the waveform parameters by going back to the LabVIEW interface. We'll change this to a square wave with a 1 volt offset and a 4 volt amplitude with a frequency of 150 kilohertz. Press OK. And the new waveform data is reflected on the Mobile Studio board. To change the oscilloscope, first want to break connection with the function generator through LabVIEW. Then go back to the oscilloscope page, build and program. Open up LabVIEW, start connection again, and you should see the oscilloscope waveform data streaming on the LabVIEW UI. We can change the input to that function, to the oscilloscope, through the Mobile Studio UI. Let's change it to a square wave, and the square wave is shown in the PSOC input.